Hey, 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 good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Grab a hold of that vine, swing right onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today we're gonna be jamming and we're gonna make ourselves some delicious bacon jam. So grab that vine, swing right on into my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because you know what? We're gonna be jamming. That's right. I'm gonna sit there and show you how you can make your very own bacon jam. So let's get started and let's get cooking. Good looking. And look at who's making their appearance again this canning season. My Fresh Tech automatic jam and jelly maker. Now, I just love this jam maker. Let me tell you, I have so many videos out on it, and I'm trying to develop another recipe using my jam and jelly maker. So we're gonna sit there and you're gonna come right along with me and we're gonna do an experiment and see if this works. So I'm gonna remove the cover, set the cover off to the side. Now I have half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Add that. We have 3/4 of a cup of black coffee. So let's add that. And then I have 1/4 cup true maple syrup. Please do not substitute for maple flavored pancake syrup. It just doesn't work. You gotta use the true maple syrup. And I always spray my measuring cup out so I can sit there and get all that good maple syrup right out of my measuring cup. Now, to all this, we're gonna be adding 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And then here, I have 1/4 teaspoon dried minced garlic, and I have 1 teaspoon of the dried minced onion. We're gonna add half of a cup of brown sugar. I have 1 cup of a Vidalia onion, and we chopped it all up. You're gonna need 1 dash of salt, and this is my mother-in-law's little cute measuring spoon set that comes in a pinch, a dash, and I believe a smidge. And then we're gonna sit there and try making it all out of this Hormel Real Crumbled Bacon. Now, this comes in a 5-pound bag, and I went ahead and I measured out 1 cup of the Hormel crumbled bacon. And when I'm not using this, I put it up and I store it in my freezer. So I'm going to go and run this back over to my freezer and I'll be right back. Okay, we have all our ingredients in our jam and jelly maker. Now, we're just going to come down here, push the jam button, and we're going to increase the time to 30 minutes. And then we're going to come over here and push enter. And the jam and jelly maker is going to do all the work for me. It's going to mix it all up. It's going to thicken up my sauce. And when I come back 30 minutes from now, I get to jar it up. Okay, we have 5 minutes left on the clock, but my jam is looking like how I want it, so I'm going to cancel out. I'm going to grab the spoon. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't want my hand underneath that. That's gonna burn. Okay. Do you see all that? Oh, bacon jam. Put that on top of a burger or a brat or a hot dog or even a steak. So I'm gonna grab my canning funnel and we're gonna put this right into the canning jars. Okay, but first, yeah, I'm gonna grab I'm gonna sit there and remove my stirring paddle. I'm gonna keep all that goodness inside of our pan. Okay. Now, I'm gonna bring my, I hope that's in view. Let's just push it down a little bit. Okay, now I'm just gonna put this all in my 4-ounce jelly jars because I'm just putting this up for my husband and myself. So we really don't need that much in the fridge opened up. I would bring this out for tailgating or for like the 4th of July, Father's Day. I'd make some of this up and let the family all enjoy some good bacon jam. Okay, that looks good. So I'm gonna bring another canning jar over. I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna give you guys another close-up view. Oh, look at that goodness. Okay. So I'm going to continue filling up my jars of this wonderful bacon jam. And let me tell you, I already gave it a little taste test. And, oh yeah, it's approved. Now, I don't know about pressure canning yet, But I'm gonna still go ahead. I'm gonna try doing that as well. But like I say, when you're trying out new recipes, always go with a small batch. Don't go hog wild, because a lot of times you may not like the recipe. So I'm gonna sit there and continue to finish with my jarring this all up, and we're gonna enjoy it this summer. Let's go ahead and add our canning. Oops. Hold on, we can't add or put our canning lids on. We have to wipe the rims down first. Okay, I have my little container that has vinegar in it. I have some paper toweling. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead, dip that all in. We're gonna run it across the top of our jars. Okay, now we can add our canning lids. So, go ahead, place them on, and grab your canning rings, and we're only gonna finger tighten them on. You're not gonna crank your rings onto your jars. You're just gonna finger tighten them. Now, the recipe that I was following, the only thing where I veered off was using that big bag of real bacon bits, the 5-pound bag. So, in the recipe sat there and said, this delicious product can be refrigerated, or to make it shelf stable, you want to follow all proper safe canning procedures and pressure can pints for 75 minutes. So if you want to go ahead and take it a step further, I'm not going to be pressure canning these. These are going to be used up in this, real near future, in future cookouts and stuff. We have Father's Day coming up. We have the 4th of July coming up. And I think we're going to be doing a little Christmas in July. So, right there, that'll take care of them 3. So, if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps out my channel. Now, if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And as always, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear? And you didn't think I was gonna sit there and leave and not give you the recipe. Well, right here is the recipe. So you can get cooking, good looking. Enjoy, and y'all come back now.